Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exam Cluster. Today in this video we are going to discuss the post of Deputy Director in Employees State Insurance Corporation notified by the UPSC. White advertisement number 55/2021. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like button. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section. The Union Public Service Commission through special recruitment advertisement number 55/2021 has notified the vacancy number 210-855-01414 151 vacancy for the post of Deputy Director in ESIC, that is Employees State Insurance Corporation, under Ministry of Labour and Employment, out of which scheduled caste vacancies are 23, scheduled tribes are 09, other backward classes is 38, EWS category is 15 and unreserved vacancies is 66. Out of the total vacancies, PWBD vacancies are 4. The educational qualification requirement is degree of a recognized university with 3 years experience of administration or accounts or marketing or public relation or insurance or revenue or tax related matters in a government or public sector undertaking or autonomous bodies. And the pay level would be level 10 in the pay matrix as per 7th pay commission. Group A, non-ministerial, non-gazetted post. Desirable is qualified subordinate account services or past Institute of Cost and Work Accounts or Master of Business Administration Finance or a degree in law. Experience, second is experience in matters relating to social insurance or labor law. Qualifications are relaxable at the discretion of the Union Public Service Commission. It is also given that the headquarters would be ESIC Corporation, Panchdeep Bhavan, CIG Marg, New Delhi 110002. The officers appointed to the service shall be liable to serve anywhere in India, and the appointment of the candidate who are already in the central, state government or in public sector undertaking service will be made on immediate observation basis. So first thing we have to remember that this is a degree must be there, and 3 years experience of administration or accounts or marketing or public relation or insurance or revenue or tax related matters in either in the government or public sector undertaking or autonomous bodies only. There is no private experience which is going to be counted in this post. Hence, the people who are working in the private organization are not eligible to apply for this post. It is only the central government employees, state government employees, autonomous bodies and public sector undertaking government employees are eligible to apply for these posts. And the closing date for this submission of the online application would be 23:59 hours on 2nd of September 2021, and the last date for printing of completely submitted online application is 23:59 hours of 3rd of September 2021. Now the next thing is probation is for 2 years, and a computer based recruitment test, CBRT recruitment test to shortlist the candidate for interview for recruitment to the post of Deputy Director shall be conducted by the Commission. However, the date of CBRT or RT will be decided by the Commission and intimate to the candidates later on. What is the scheme and syllabus for the recruitment test for the post of Deputy Director? Would be the test will be of 2 hours duration and will comprise of 2 parts, A and B. Part A contains English and Part B contains general ability. The questions in Part B of the paper will be set both in Hindi and English. All questions will carry equal marks. The test will be of objective type questions with multiple choice of answers, and there will be penalty for wrong answers. Every wrong answer will carry a deduction of 1/3 of the marks assigned to that question. If no answer is marked for a question, there will be no penalty. What is the syllabus? For the Part A, to test the candidate understanding of English language and workman-like use of words. Part B would be principles of human resource management, principles of marketing management, principles of accounting and financial management, Right to Information Act, numerical ability and logical reasoning, fundamentals of computer application, general science, public administration and development issue, freedom movement and Indian Union, current affairs, events of national and international importance. The weightage and marks of CBRT RT along with other details, if any, will be informed later on by the Commission to the applicant after the advertisement inviting online application for the instant recruitment case. The centers where CBRT RT will be conducted will be decided by the commission are intimated to the candidates later on. The recruitment test will be conducted across the following centers: Bhopal, Chennai, Delhi, Kolkata, Dispur, Guwahati, Nagpur, Lucknow, Jammu, Port Blair, Ahmedabad, Jaipur, Kochi, Mumbai, Ranchi and Visakhapatnam. So these are the centers where the recruitment test is going to be held. And how many posts are there? There are total 151 posts for the post of Deputy Director in ESIC, Employee State Insurance Corporation, and the requirement is degree from a recognized university with 3 years experience of administration or accounts or marketing or public relation or insurance or revenue or tax related matters in a government or public sector undertaking or autonomous bodies only. No other candidate, no other person can apply for these posts. Date for determining the eligibility of candidates in every respect shall be on the prescribed closing date for submission of online application. The application are advised to fill in all their particulars in the online recruitment application carefully, as submission of wrong information may lead to rejection through computer based shortlisting apart from debarment by the commission. Date for the interview on which the shortlisted candidate will be required to bring the printout of his or her online application along with other document at UPSC shall be intimated separately. So whosoever is interested and is eligible can apply for these posts. This is very wonderful opportunity in the ESIC, 151 posts, and that too again in the level 10 pay matrix, approximately carrying 1,10,000 to 1,20,000 per month salary. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video and have a very nice day.